Hello everyone, it's Jawad Sumro here. Welcome to this new quick tip episode. It's glad to see you here. Today I'm going to show you how to reuse the character styles that you had used before in your other InDesign document. Without any further delay, let's get started. How to load character styles in InDesign document. Character style is something that I use in my every InDesign project. And trust me, that it's a great time saver. Using character styles can help you strengthen your brand's consistency. In your case, you might be creating same character styles for every InDesign project. But after watching this tutorial, you would be able to import those styles without creating again and again. You can also change the character style properties anytime just in one location. For this tutorial, let me show you what I had done for creating a flyer for computer shop. Here, you can see the pictures of monitors, CPU, and other electronic devices, along with their description. Some characters are bolded, some characters are small, and some characters are colored. Let me open the character styles panel. Now see, as you click on each of these characters, the respective character styles are highlighted on this panel. If you double click on this style in basic character formats, you would be able to see what kind of styling we are trying to achieve in this project. You can change the fonts, size, leading, kerning, and everything within this window. Keep in mind, you should always give separate names to your each character style. For example, item names for the titles, item details, and item price. It would be inappropriate to simply use item 1, item 2, and item 3 because it would only lead to confusion. Let's create a brand new InDesign document. Let's say A4 size page. Now, let's place some lorem ipsum text over here. Let's open the character styles panel, go to Window, Styles, and Character Styles. Shortcut key is Shift F11. See that this panel is empty. Now, I want to use the character styles of my previous InDesign document. All you need to do is click on these three bars at the corner of the character styles panel. That looks like hamburger. Then choose Load Character Styles. You need to locate the InDesign file that contains your target character styles. Click Open. Then InDesign will successfully copy all of the character styles into your current InDesign document. InDesign will also ask you to select or deselect the character styles from this list. It's up to you to decide whether you want to bring in all the character styles or some of them. In case, if you don't want to import some character styles, let's say item price styles, all I need to do is uncheck this option right here. Once you are done, click OK. In some cases, InDesign will override the attributes of character styles in your current InDesign document with the attributes of character styles from your previous InDesign document. This only happens when you already have the character styles of the same name in your current InDesign document. If that ever happens, you just need to rename those styles and then import those character styles. Once you had imported every character style, you just need to apply those styles on the characters in the paragraph. Let's do it. Now see, they look just the same as you saw in my previous InDesign document. This is what makes this feature so lovely. If you get any problems, you can always comment down below this video. I will reply you as soon as possible. You can also email me at javasumro1988@gmail.com. You can contact me on my Facebook page over here, Javasumro Productions. You can also message me on my Instagram page over here, Javasumro Studios. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to load character styles in Adobe InDesign. Now, watch this tutorial again and again till you are confident. If you like this tutorial, smash that like button and share it with your friends. If you don't want to miss any of my future tutorials, make sure you click on that notification bell icon. I will see you in the next tutorial. Goodbye and take care.